look like this on the front. The back side, it looks, for me it looks much better with the orange and quick flashing. You have to find the hole and to get the new one in. That's always the problem what I have, or had. No, not always, but what I had the other day with my ex. I had the problem to find the right hole, but this time it worked. How to make an oil change at your car. What you need for it is the right oil and enough oil. You need I hope you liked my video and cheers. It's very handy, and I did it with a door switch here. It's out of a Mitsubishi or so. And when you do the same, you should buy it. We had a first date when I was just a maid. I came from far away just to meet you. Okay, welcome to my next video. Today I will show you how you can fix and connect cables in your car. So like I told you before, what you have to do is to unscrew this screw. And I also put the sun plugs out, and then you can. Here's on the top is also a nose. Alright, turn it on again. Wait 30 seconds. Just trust your feeling and your fingers and everything else, and then you will make it. We push this button, hold it, push it, keep it pushing it, and turning the ignition on. I bought this one here at Bunnings, put it around and sealed it up, and the camera was in. And go in and see that there's a lot of space, So that means that I must untake